Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 Houston. We're in the Hughes Landing area in the Woodlands. It's amazing. It's it's like being in a resort, but where you can walk to everything, and it's got lakes and nature all around you. It's just a gorgeous area here, and it's so convenient to get to from Houston, from the Woodlands, but it's just like you're in your own little village. It's phenomenal. We just did a video. We walked down the street. We were noticing that there's two beautiful apartments that we're seeing actually today. One Lakes Edge and Two Lakes Edge. This is the One Lakes Edge. That's the Two Lakes Edge. On the other side of this building is Whole Foods, so you can walk to the Whole Foods. There's all kinds of stores. We just mostly boutiques that we just walked by, and they're great. But now I want us to check out what's over here. So we're gonna go across the street, check this out, and then we're gonna walk down Restaurant Row. By the way, there's a lake that's going along here. We're gonna get a video of that too, so you can see just how phenomenal this area is. So the lake is here, and here's the restaurants, and here, let's just see what's here. So Escalante's is a wonderful Tex-Mex place. It's popular. It's pretty amazing. Over there is Starbucks coffee. Right here is a pretty new place. It's called State Fair. It's really popular. It's very new. It's getting a lot of attention. They kitchen and bar. I was told definitely it's good. Go check it out. People really like it. So that's a great restaurant over there. There's Pure Bear that's over there. And look at these streets too. Just these great flags. It feels kind of more like a small town in a way. I love the feeling here. It's pretty amazing. And it's just cool. Just a great feel. Just love the feeling here. So over here looks like LP. I'm not sure. I think it's Long Pour. So if that's it, that is a great bar, and it's awesome. So Long Pour is there. It's, by the way, it's Friday. It's about 1 o'clock. So this is the crowd just on a Friday early afternoon. There's Fogo de Chao. Fogo de Chao is pretty much unlimited food. It's a Brazilian place. It's meat, and everybody loves going there, or a lot of people love going there. Let's put it that way. I get raves from a lot of my friends. And then Del Frisco's Grill is here. This is a really cool place that's in several cities now, and it's awesome. And wow, just a great area to enter right over there. So this is, and you can eat right on the river over there if you want to. And then there's Trulux that's right here. So you've got Trulux, and this is amazing. So Trulux is basically seafood. It's wonderful seafood. It's in multiple cities. Really love Trulux, and that's one of my personal favorites. And then you've got the lake. So all of this, you could be living right here, or at Two Lakes Edge, which is just down the street and easy walk to. And then you can be on this lake, and you can go to these restaurants at any time and enjoy this wonderful lifestyle. Hey, I'm gonna take a separate video of we're gonna walk on the lake a little bit. I want you to see more of what you can do on the lake. So let's go check that out. Let's hang and get to the next video.